headquarters. Inside, engineers and technicians develop and manufacture the finest bottled water equipment designed specifically for small to medium-sized bottled water operations located all over the world. Also inside, a state-of-the-art clean room that houses a Norland SpectraPak 5000, a complete PET bottling system. The SpectraPak 5000 is a compact turnkey bottling system ideal for round PET bottles ranging in size from 12 ounces, 335 milliliters, to half gallon, 2 liters. The line can even be modified to process many types of 1 gallon, 3.8 liter bottles. At full capacity, the system can produce up to 83 bottles a minute. That's nearly 5,000 bottles an hour. Designed specifically for the small to medium-sized bottling operation, the SpectraPak 5000 consists of 6 key components, each designed and manufactured by Norland. These components include a bottle feed table, the BR 5000 automatic bottle rinser, the BF 5000 bottle filler, the LC 5000 labeler capper, the CC 5000 cap tightener, and an accumulation conveyor to allow for staging of bottles prior to packaging. To begin with, all SpectraPak components are mounted to the side of a continuously moving conveyor. Conveyor options range from the standard 36-foot straight line to the optional 20-foot sections offering 90-degree turns. The first component of the standard SpectraPak 5000 system is the 48-inch automatic rotary feed table, with which bottles are manually loaded onto the inlet conveyor to be transported to the rinser. The BR 5000 is one of the most versatile medium-speed rinsers on the market. It thoroughly rinses up to 85 bottles a minute and can handle bottle sizes of 12 ounces, 335 milliliters, up to 1 gallon, 3.8 liters, of virtually any shape. The optical sensors ensure smooth and trouble-free operation. If the flow of bottles into the rinser is interrupted, the system pauses automatically until the flow of bottles is resumed. Water is not wasted when there are no bottles at a rinse station. During the rinsing process, 2 electronic optical sensors count the bottles as they enter the bottle clamping mechanism. Once the sensors have counted the bottles, the clamping mechanism closes and locks the bottles into position. The bottles are then flipped 180 degrees over the stainless steel rinse heads and rinsed at high pressure to remove any dust or static electricity carryover. After they're drained, the clamping device returns the bottles to their upright position, releases them to the conveyor, and moves the bottle into the BF 5000 automatic bottle filler system. The entire process is automatic, complete, and simple. Since the rinse solution contains no chemicals, the used rinse water can be captured and recycled if desired, or directed to the drain. In the BF 5000 filler, bottles enter the filling area where, like the BR 5000, either 10 or 12 bottles are counted one at a time by 2 electronic optical sensors, then locked into place before the filling process begins. The removable plexiglass splash shield is easily removed for cleaning and disinfecting purposes. For the purposes of this video, we are removing it here to give us a clear view of the filling process. Once locked into position by a bottle clamping device, the filling process begins. This device ensures that the bottles are positioned correctly under each filling head. This reduces any over or underfill problems. The filler design utilizes a consistent overflow fill valve method. Product water is delivered to the stainless steel filling nozzles through the ozonating system. These nozzles penetrate the opening of the bottle and allow water to flow freely into the empty area. Water that overfills the desired level inside the bottle is simply directed to the overflow tank, where it is pumped back to the storage tank for later use. The BF 5000 controls are located at easy viewing heights to provide system monitoring at a glance. The LED digital readout adds to the quick assessment of system operating status. The LC 5000 is one of the most uniquely designed capping systems available, combining both labeling and capping functions. First, the filled bottles enter the built-in bottle spacing mechanism. This helps to maintain the distance necessary between bottles so that the label application phase is properly completed. As the bottle enters the application area, the pre-glued label is stuck to the front edge of the bottle. As the bottle rotates through the application area, it presses the remaining portion of the label onto the bottle. This completes the labeling process, and from there, the labeled bottles are conveyed to the automatic cap cincher. From the labeling function of the LC5000, we see the bottles progress to the capping function. Caps are poured from shipping cartons into the cap hopper, located about 48 inches above the floor for easy loading. The caps are then conveyed by the elevator to the upper-level cap disbursement chute. The cap elevator belt is made of a soft rubber-type material to help prevent cap scarring or other damage during the elevation process. This unique system is designed to sort the caps by their widest dimension. In short, caps that are correctly positioned fall between two rubber belts and are delivered to the cap application chute. Caps that are not positioned properly are returned to the cap hopper to be used again. The gripper belts orient the caps from the upside-down position to the opened face position, where they will be picked off by a bottle as it travels down the conveyor. As the caps are placed onto the top of the bottle, they are pressed lightly onto the bottle, but not completely tightened. Once the caps have been applied, the bottles move into position near the feed eye of the cap cincher. The feed eye controls the entry of bottles into the cincher and allows the system to function without operator assistance. When moved into position, the bottles are held in place one at a time by an offsetting pair of high-impact aluminum gripper pads and flange support rings. The gripper pads hold the bottom of the bottle to prevent the bottle from spinning during the cap tightening process. The flange support rings receive the downward capping pressure to eliminate excessive pressure onto the conveyor. Other cap tightening devices typically allow this pressure to be applied to the moving conveyor, shortening the life of the conveyor motor. As the rotating cap tightening device pushes downward and onto the cap, the cone-shaped rubber insert grabs the cap by the shoulder and spins it into a tightly fixed position to complete the capping process. After bottles are capped and labeled, they move down the conveyor to the accumulation table, where they are staged for loading using Norland's CasePack 5000, which automatically packs bottles in cartons. The CasePack 5000 is a pneumatically operated automatic system for boxing virtually any food products packaged in 8-ounce to 1-gallon plastic bottles. The unit automatically accumulates, counts, and packs bottles into preset configurations of 6x6, 6x4, 2x3, 2x2, and 1x3 boxes or trays. An optional automatic lift conveyor can also raise or lower filled boxes to the level of shrink wrappers and case tapers being used in the packing line. The system will pack up to 3 cases of 24 bottles each per minute. CasePack 5000 features a simple design that provides reliability, efficiency, and less downtime. PLC controls increase operating efficiency. If trays are being used, the CasePack loads the trays and conveys them to Norland ShrinkPack 5000, which shrink wraps each package. The ShrinkPack 5000 has been designed to interface and operate efficiently with the CasePack 5000. It will package a wide variety of containers, including round, rectangular, and oblong-shaped items. The heat sealing bar features low-pressure closing to maximize safety while operating. And the heat tunnel is controlled automatically to ensure the proper finish. This packaging system is portable, so it can be easily moved where it is needed most. By using the plastic wrapping system, you can save up to 70% compared to the cost of using corrugated cases. Shrink wrapping is a great way to package products for sale at supermarkets